Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about what a breakout is. A breakout is something that refers to what happens on your charts, so I'm just going to go over that real quick. It's really simple concept to understand, so let me show you what it looks like. So I have up this company called RKT, Rocket Companies, and I'm on a daily chart right now. So every candlestick that you see represents the price movement of this stock in one day. So the first thing that I would usually do is mark up my chart. So find support and resistance. We see resistance around this white line right here. So every time this price touches this white line, notice how this price continues to go down. Went down once, and went down twice, went down 3 times again. Our support is around this blue line right here. Notice how every time it gets near this blue line, it shoots up, shoots up, shoots up. Now, notice how this stock is stuck in between the same support and resistance over the course of these multiple days. So this is what's called a range, right? The stock is in a range of support and resistance, the same support and resistance, because it hasn't gone anywhere. It's literally going up and down, up and down. It's very predictable. Now, a breakout is literally when this stock breaks through this range, right? So this is an example of a breakout. Even right here, this could have been a breakout as well, but it sold off very aggressively. So this ended up just being the same resistance as it was before. And it touched this support again, but this time it broke through strong. Oh man. Okay, this stock went up to $43. So this was $22. That's a $20 move. So imagine if you got calls on this company when you saw it break out through this range. This is just an example of what a breakout is. And it's really when a stock is breaking out of a range that it's stuck in.